Hello children, in my earlier classes I have explained pronoun and today as I have told I will start a new chapter which is pronoun and I will go through your textbook. That means we will read what is written over your textbook. So let's get started and we will read the sentences first and then we will know how we can use pronouns in the sentence. Okay, so first sentence is Ali lives in Pune. Ali lives in Pune. Ali is a tailor. So as you can see, the name Ali, that is definitely a naming word. Ali lives in Pune. Lives in Pune. And also it is written Ali is a tailor. Tailor. Now, if you notice, you can see that the name Ali is repeatedly used, which we should not do. What can I do? Yes, what should we do for this? We have to use pronoun instead of taking the naming word repeatedly. So instead of taking the naming word, we will use, yes, he. So we will use he. So he is a tailor. Okay. Now we will read the next sentence. Shita sang sweetly. Shita sang sweetly. Shita is here. So in the first line it is written Shita sang sweetly. Shita is here. So as I have told, we should not repeatedly use the pronoun, the noun, that means the naming word, and we have to use pronoun instead of taking the naming word repeatedly. So it will be Shita sang sweetly, and she is here. So Shita sang sweetly. Once we have taken the name Shita, in the other part of the sentence, that means in next sentence, we have used one pronoun. What is the pronoun? Definitely she. Shita is one girl now, so that's why we have written Shita is here. Okay? We should not use the name Shita repeatedly. That's why we have to use one pronoun instead of taking the name repeatedly. Next, read the sentence. Read the next sentence. Raman has a cap. The cap is red. Now, Raman has a cap. Now, as I have told that it is also one pronoun. It. It is also a pronoun like he, she, I. He, she, I is also pronoun. So it is also pronoun. Now where we should use it? We should use it in the place of certain things or animals. For singular animals, that means if there is one animal, we can use it. But if there is more than one animals, then what we have to use? Yes, we have to use they. Okay. So Raman has a cap. The cap is red. So instead of taking the noun, the cap, what we have to use? Yes, we have to use one pronoun and that is it. Raman has a cap. It is red. So I am writing this. Raman has a cap. The cap is red. So we should not use the cap, a cap repeatedly. Once I have already told the cap. The cap is red, so we have to use Raman has a cap. Raman has a cap. It is red. It is red. Okay, so like this we have to read the other sentences. Okay, So I will read only the sentences. Follow me by looking at your book. I saw the girls were singing. So the girls, the phrase the girls is repeatedly used, and that you should not do. I saw the girls, they are singing. Okay, so instead of writing the girls again, what we used? They. Okay, where is Ashok? Call Ashok here. So where is Ashok? Call him here. I am writing this. Where is Ashok? Where is Ashok? Call Ashok here. Now, here you can see the name Ashok has been repeatedly used. So what we have to do, instead of taking the name of Ashok once again, yes, so we have to write like this. Where is Ashok? Call him here. Okay, so can you see that where is Ashok? Call Ashok here. Instead of taking the name of Ashok once again, I have used him. Okay, now come to the next. Where Leela is a good girl, all like Leela. Leela is a good girl, all like her. So instead of taking Leela's name once again, I have used, we have to use her. Next, where is the map? Bring the map here. Definitely we have to do the thing. Where is the map? Bring it here. So map is a thing, and when there is a thing, and if the thing is singular, we have to use it. So for things and for a singular animal, what we have to do? We have to use it. I-T, it. So where is the maps? Bring the maps here. So where is the map? Bring it here. Next, where are the boys? Call the boys here. Where are the boys? Call them here. So the boys, this phrase, the boys, has been repeatedly used in the sentence. That we should not do. What we have to use instead of the boys? We have to use them instead of the boys. Now, what are these things like they, he, she, it? What are these things? Yes, these are pronouns. So I am writing the pronouns once again. Keep it in your mind that I, he, she, and it. These are singular pronouns. I is used for I. That means when the person is when the first person is speaking. That is I. He is used for boys. This is for first person. He is used for boys. She is used for girls. Not boys, single boy. She is used for a girl, and it is used for a thing or animal. Okay? So make sure that these things are singular. Singular means one person, one thing. Okay? And next, they, we, you, they, we, these are plural. Okay? Plural. That means if there is more than one person, then we can use either they or we. Okay students, so today after this, more we will know in our next English 1 class. Thank you. Have a good day.